Welcome to the Goldschmidt2019 Abstract Submission tutorial. Here, we are already logged into the website. If you are not already logged in, you will be prompted for your details before you can submit an abstract. In order to submit your abstract, you will need to prepare it following the instructions on the Goldschmidt2019 website. A link to those instructions can be found in the description below. After you have prepared your abstract, go to the home page of the Goldschmidt2019 website and click on the Call for Abstracts icon. Once on the Abstracts page, click on the Submission icon. Type or paste in the title of your abstract and then fill in any keywords in the boxes provided. Choose whether you would prefer an oral or a poster presentation of your work. Alternatively, you can select no preference. Now select the theme you wish to submit your abstract to. Then also select the session you wish to submit to. Type or paste the names of the authors, title, given name, and then family name last. Fill in their email addresses if known. Don't forget to ensure that the presenting author is appropriately marked. If you do not wish to have your work to be discussed on social media, you can tick this box. If you believe that your work could capture the imagination of the general public, click this box. Please ensure that you have the full support of the co-authors before clicking. Before continuing, you must click these two boxes to agree with the statements. Once you have ticked the boxes, click Next. Now, click on the Browse button to select your abstract file. Ideally, abstracts should be submitted in PDF format, following the abstract preparation instructions found on the website. However, you can submit a Word file and it will automatically be converted into a PDF. You will have a chance to review your abstract on the next page. Click Upload to proceed. On this page, you can review your abstract details. If they are not correct, click Change Details to make any changes you require. You can review your abstract in the display pane below. This is how your abstract will appear once it has been submitted. If you are not happy with your abstract file, you can re-upload this by clicking on Change Abstract Document. If the details are correct and you are happy with how your abstract displays, you are now ready to complete submission. To finalise your submission, click the Submit Abstract button. To pay for your abstract submission, click the Pay for all outstanding items button and choose your payment method from the list. Proceed with your payment and you will receive an automated email confirming your submission. This completes the Goldschmidt 2019 Abstract Submission tutorial. Thank you for watching.